Hi friends, affiliate marketing, how can you start make money online? 4 important tips to follow. Say thanks to internet, now you can start your own internet marketing business with minimum efforts. With the power of internet, you can access people all over the world, right from the comfort of your home. There are many income opportunities online and different ways to make money online. But affiliate marketing is one of the best for newbie or even for advanced marketers. Can I make money online? Yes, you can. Affiliate marketing can give you possibility of extremely large income potential, and for that you just have to learn some basic skills to start with. If you can read and write or just copy and paste, then you can have your own successful online business. So let me help you build your online business as soon as possible and assist you in avoiding common pitfalls. I am giving you some tips related to affiliate marketing which you can follow in your online journey. First tip, as you are probably anxious to start your own website and stuff your bank account with income as soon as possible. But I would advise you to take some time to learn some trade secrets. There are many resources available online which you can go through to learn about affiliate marketing. Even I am giving you a free ebook, the download link in description, to learn some exact methods to get started. You can go through advanced internet marketing courses yourself or follow those which I would advise you. Go through those courses, learn a lot and then take action. It seems to be quite daunting task in beginning, but it will help you in long run. Most affiliates fails due to lack of proper knowledge and effective implementation of strategies. Second tip, don't run after every income opportunity you come across. I told you earlier there are many income methods and getting hold of everything will get you information overload. If you jump from one income stream to another, then you will never make any money. Learn one method, one technique at a time. Get perfection in it and fully utilize its potential. Only then move on to next method or strategy. Don't run after every hype. Just concentrate on your current business and stay away from all noise. Third tip. In beginning, steer clear away from pay-per-click marketing. It's always changing field and new rules are built up daily. There is a steep learning curve in PPC marketing and you will lose thousands of dollars if you don't know what you are doing. There are specialized courses on PPC marketing and there are big corporate or people making living on managing and deploying PPC campaigns. Earn some money first and then use some portion of it to learn PPC before jumping in. Fourth tip, start list building right from beginning. This is the most important tip as 98% of people who visit your site will not buy anything on first instance. Further, they will never come back. But by building email list, you can bring them back to your site or present new offers at push of a button. You will have never-ending supply of targeted visitors for your offers. Moreover, trust and rapport you build with your subscribers will be your greatest asset. Making money online through affiliate marketing is one of the sought-after method of online income. It's quick and easy to enter, but you need to learn some new strategies for this. You need to invest some time and put some effort in beginning, but in long run, rewards are huge. Just use these affiliate marketing tips to start your online career. In your journey, keep learning new skills and method and put them to use and keep testing. If you follow above advice, you write your own destiny. So download your free ebook in description below to start learning one secret method to affiliate marketing.